Yo, what's up? It's Potato Farm here. We're just installing our $1,000 sound system that actually only costed 80 bucks. Also, we're here to install a new circuit panel, get rid of our old crappy one that half of it didn't even work.
It's a nice tube.
And we were probably illegal because our masthead light didn't work. We've got this kicker sub that we repaired along with this amp and the box together, $20. Pioneer 3-way 6.5s, $20. Pioneer head unit, $40. And yep, we're gonna be buying some outdoor speakers later, but can't really afford those right now. And we are gonna be recording this epic process.
The whole goal of this is to replace these tiny little speakers because they don't do anything. So lit. Alright, y'all. We're about halfway through. Realize we have to take off this box right here in order to work on the rest of it.
So what we're trying to do is we've got to hook all these positive wires up to these little prong things where we want them. Then all the negative wires here, we've got a negative like wire bus bar or whatever it's called right there. We got to hook them into. So in order to do that, we got to take this box off so we have access to it. And yeah, once we get that done, we'll show you.
Split it up.
Moment
like we're working.
of truth. Alright, so ran into a problem. Our new circuit board didn't fit into this box either. So got the little jigsaw out, did a little trim up, about to sand it. Yaw yeet. Juicy.
Moment of Truth V2.
Oh, hold up.
It'll work.
Try the other way.
Okay, well, now it fits fine vertically. We need more off of the side, so.
Alright, the Moment of Truth V100.
5 actually.
More like 105.
Ready? It will work this time, I guarantee it. Look at that fitment, dough. Alright, so it has come to the time where we must mount the head unit. Because we have to connect the positive on these accessory ports. So we figured the easiest way would be we're going to mount it around right here or anywhere around here. We're going to have a speaker right here, so probably down here.
Bro, this thing
Yep.
flushes.
And we just found out our toilet flushes. Ka-chow. Alright, here goes nothing. Dude, this is so cringy.
I don't want to do it. Wait, what are you doing?
Cutting a hole for the speaker.
With a drill?
Well, you gotta have a place to start. Red. Cringe.
Matt, why?
Pretty sketchy. We finally managed to get the hole out. with a jigsaw that should not be used in small places. But as you can see, it doesn't look too bad when we get the cover on it. It shouldn't look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you make it fit.
Okay, it shouldn't look bad at all. Yeah. Yeah.
Just like stock.
Okay, so yep. Now it's time to do that one. That one's gonna be a pain in the ass. Cause guess what? We've got to. This won't fit, so we got to cut out part of the carpet
With a jigsaw.
with a pocket knife I used to use to pick locks. Blood, sweat, and tears. Got the head unit spot cut out. Got the sleeve fitting. Got all the little things bent up. And we are peeping at the fitment right now. About to put the trim plate on. Oh, this is gonna look so damn nice.
If it fits.
Yeah, shit.
It'll fit. There we go. Beautiful.
Beautiful. See, the only problem is that up there, but
It's fine.
it's aight. Good. Final product. Boom! Oh, that looks so clean.
Throwing a wake without even moving.
Damn! Finally throw away these little things.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Damn.
Alright, time to install speaker number 2. Right there. Boom! I'm not. Okay. Too bad we're not done yet.